think about, what if you're into, and at no cost to you? In today's Great Recession era, doesn't that sound incredible? Well, it was the dream of one man named Nikola Tesla. Born in Croatia in 1856, he was the son of a pastor, and was originally expected to become a member of the church, at the behest of his father, but his mother was much wiser, and she realized his true potential. It was thanks to her, that Tesla was enrolled in university. Tesla was blessed with the incredible gift of being able to design whole machines in his mind, and when he wasn't studying his other subjects, he was building his inventions of the future. Tesla was quite fond of America. Tesla's inventions needed financial backing, like most others at the time who had to turn to the big financiers. J. Pierpont Morgan was very interested. Morgan came from a rich family, and from early on, his father taught him how to manage money. The scientist pioneered many electric advancements in his time, but his dream of free energy for everyone was always in the back of his mind. Beginning in 1901, he started work on a global project of massive towers which could relay information and electricity. He constructed a 200-foot tower, which would become his test tower, in Shore, Long Island. His problem was though, that in order to obtain further funding from Morgan, he had to disclose more about where his projects were headed than he wanted to. This warned Morgan to what Tesla was doing with free energy for the masses, so in 1906 he withdrew his funding. For a top financier, the idea of millions of people across the globe getting energy for free was a nightmare. It's known that Morgan spoke to other financiers telling them of Tesla's plan, and advised them to not invest either. Tesla found himself in a terrible spot, and had to concentrate solely on inventions for which he could get paid. Soon after losing financing, his laboratory was burnt to the ground, and along with it went all of his dreams of free electricity. No one knows who exactly destroyed his laboratory, but there were many theories at the time that the investors were the culprits. Not long after that, in 1917 his experimental tower structure was also destroyed. Tesla's dream was thoroughly obliterated. Now you know the tragic story of the great inventor Nikola Tesla, and his meeting with the investor J.P. Morgan. No big business wants to give things away for free, they will halt great development if there is no profit to be made. In this case, humankind missed out on the most life-changing advances we would have ever seen. Tesla died in 1943 at the age of 87, having contributed much to our lives, but failed in giving us his most ambitious goal, his Tesla power system. It is now a reality. Many people are building their own free energy systems, and getting real energy for free to their homes. No different than 100 years ago. I'm sure the greedy electrical suppliers still do not want us to have this information, but times are different, and with the internet as powerful as it is we are finally able to access so much more. It is thought that within the next 50 years, use of Tesla free energy plans will be global. We may win in the end after all.
And finally, we have a gift for you that is tricks to reduce your electricity bill by at least 75%. And the way to complete energy independence, get rid of the monopoly of big energy, you will never have to pay for electricity. Method, amplify electricity, to make output power greater than input power. See link in description. Thanks for watching.